In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode or change Office theme in Microsoft Excel. If you want a more comfortable viewing experience, reduce eye strain, or just personalize the look of Excel, changing the theme is a simple and effective way to do it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to switch to dark mode or select a theme that suits your preference. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and focusing on the top left corner of the window. Here, you'll find the File tab, which gives you access to a wide range of settings and options. Click on File to open the Backstage view, where all of Excel's configuration options are stored. Next, look for the Options command at the bottom of the menu. Clicking Options opens the Excel Options window, where you can customize many aspects of your workspace, including the theme and color settings. Within the Excel Options window, locate the General section. Here, you'll see a subsection labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. This is where you can control the overall look and feel of your Office applications. To enable dark mode, find the Office Theme drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and you will see several options, such as colorful, dark gray, black, and white. Selecting black or dark gray will switch Excel to a darker interface, which is ideal for reducing glare and making long work sessions more comfortable. After selecting your desired theme, click OK to apply the changes. Excel will immediately reflect your choice, and you can start working with the new appearance. If you prefer a lighter interface, you can also choose colorful or white from the same drop-down, giving you flexibility depending on your lighting conditions or personal preference. Additionally, changing the Office theme will affect all other Microsoft Office applications on your computer, such as Word and PowerPoint, ensuring a consistent visual experience across programs. By following these steps, you can quickly switch between light and dark modes or select any theme that makes your Excel workspace more comfortable and visually appealing. Adjusting the theme not only enhances your productivity, but also creates a personalized environment suited to your needs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.